Michael.
Fiona. Eliza.
Hi, my name's Mercer. I'm Letitia.
What grade are you?
I'm a senior.
I'm a senior. Freshman.
I'm a freshman. I'm a freshman.
Okay, what does public health mean to you and why do you think it's important to have that task?
I think public health is very important to have a task because there's a lot that we can do to prevent the spread of these diseases.
I think public health is really important at task because it concerns everybody regardless of where you're from, who you identify as, and especially at TAFT with like such 600 students, it's so much easier to make an impact. So yeah.
To me, public health is like helping others when they're sick, and I was sick and my friends were all very helpful for that, and I think that helps me want to help other people when they're sick or even when they're not sick, just like get better.
So I think it's important to have a task to like raise awareness and help people not get sick.
Can you show us the merch? In the back.